guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Annie the Busy Beauty. I'm on this channel of mine. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. And if you're my old subscriber that have stuck with me so long, thank you very much for being here. So today I decided to come up with this look, and I'm going for a New Year's dinner party. And so I created this look, and I wanted to share with you how I did it. And I used a very special palette from my friend, gorgeous friend called Annabelle, and this is how her palette looks like. So it's called Sugar Plum, and it's from Anakel Cosmetics. So Anakel is a lady, a very gorgeous lady with good heart, beautiful heart. She's based in US, if I'm not wrong. I will put her link down below so you can go and check her out, and also I will put her Facebook and everything, her information down below so you can see. She has a lot of she do cosmetics, and she also do skincare products. And she also, if I'm not wrong, she also have a cloth line. So guys, that's what I used today. And Anakel, you are very congratulations with your palette, and I wish you all the best. So Anakel sent me some products from her cosmetics line, and I will show you guys. So this is the palette that I've used. I've only used this palette on my eye, and as you can see guys, it's very beautiful, really beautiful. Some of her products, she sent me some lippies, she sent me a liner, and she sent me a palette. So guys, for today I just show you on this video I've used her liner, and I've used also this sugar plum palette, and I love it. And this is what I've already showed you. So guys, with no further ado, I talk too much. Please guys, if you're new here, thank you very much. And if you're just watching me by and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And then I will see you on my next video. You have a wonderful new year, and I wish you all the best, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys. Going to blend that out, and I think I want more. As my transition color, and then I will use this. I will use my Fiesta. The name of this one is Fiesta as my transition color, and then we are going to use Peacock, the purple one, and then we are going to do some cut crease with the lemon gold. So, or we can use this one. I think we are going to use Fiesta as transition color, and then we use rosewood as crease color, and then we are going to do a cut crease with let's do the lemon gold, the cut crease of the lemon gold. Yeah guys, so let's start and see how it's going to come out. There, so we can get the color. So I'm going to take this is my blending brush, and this blending brush I bought it in Heimer. So I'm going to take the color Fiesta, this one, Fiesta, and I'm going to use it as my blending color. So guys, I'm going to come closer, and if you see me looking here, I'm looking at my mirror. So let's blend using this. The purple, the rosewood, and I'm going to use this one for our crease. Okay, so I'm just going to tap it. So you guys, you can see how it's looking nice. So I'm going back to take this color, and I'm just going to, because it seems like it disappeared a little bit, I'm just going to take that one and I'm going to blend that one. I love it. I love it. It looks so nice. It's so pigmented. Though I have to put my brush like many times, but go. It looks so nice. I love the purple. Then I'm going to take this again, because if you want your shadows to look good, you have to blend. Make sure you blend your brows. You blend your brows. You blend your shadow nicely. So I'm going to cut my crease, and then after cutting crease, we are going to use this one, the lemon gold. Let's see how it comes out. So
you say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame, oh, some things never
so guys, we already cut our crease, and I'm going to take the yellow, I'm going to take the lemon gold, and I'm going to put it on our crease, and then we see how that's gonna come out. I'm very sure it's going to come out very nicely. So I'm taking my brush, okay, just going to tap that yellow. Curly. I'm just using tap motions. Can you see that? And now I'm going to take our dark blend. So I want to blend here so we can have see, like here, you blend it to avoid the harsh lines, so it can blend nicely. So that's what we're gonna do. We don't want that harsh line, you know, at the end of your crease. You just want it to disappear, just like what I'm doing. So you do that. Lemon gold is giving me life, like duh. So you just, and then yeah, so this is her eyeliner, also very nice, very, as you can see ladies, it's unbelievable. She put everything in her work. So I'm going to line my you guys, the liner too is very beautiful. So I've lined my eyes, and then we are going to put Take my sachet. I usually don't bake. I just set my concealer. I usually just set my concealer. I don't bake. So I'm going to take my blush and my contouring blush. But it's this one. It's rubbed out, whatever. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to
You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to
use the blush. I'm not going to contour anything. Just use blush to give me. Oh, not in your nose. Don't do this. I just passed my brush. Don't put blush on your nose, guys. That was a mistake. A big mistake. So my nose, I'm going to just contour it a little bit, and I'm going to use this sleek contour palette, this one. And I'm going to take a brush just to contour just a little bit my nose. My highlight. And I'm going to use this one, and this one is from Action. It's the best one, actually. It's very cheap, but you will just see, guys. See, guys, see that? And this palette, the highlight palette, is the cheapest highlight palette I have, actually, to say the truth, but it's my favorite. I bought it in Action. If you're long time ago, I think I bought it like last year, the beginning of last year. I just put a lot of blush on my this one. What is it? Yeah, don't like it. I bought it last year in Action, and since then I don't even use, most of the time I don't use my expensive highlights. I use this one. It's so nice, beautiful. It looks so beautiful. I love it. Sometimes not everything expensive is, guys, just look at that. And I think, if I'm not wrong, I bought it like €3 or something in Action. I don't think they still have it, I don't know, but I bought it in Action and I love it. So guys, we are going to liner down here, and then I put lipstick, and then I come back to you guys.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful